dancer, bailarin. Okay, dancer, bailarin, or female dancer, bailarina. Bailarin or bailarina. Okay, everyone, got it?
Yes,
Nirgun,
sir.
Devang, understood?
Sí, señor.
Kirti, understood? Kirti? Yes. Either bailarin or bailarina. Okay, just add one extra A. Okay, bailarin or bailarina. Dentist, dentista, dentista. Detective, detective, detective. Director, director, director. Doctor, medico, medico or medica. Okay, medico or medica. You can write. Okay, medico or medica. Then drummer, baterista, drummer, baterista. Electrician, electricista, electrician, electricista. Engineer, ingeniero, ingeniero, ingeniero. Farmer, granjero, granjero. Okay, see, I'm pronouncing J with khoka. Granjero, granjero.
Engineer.
Yes, Baba, what?
Engineer.
Engineer, ingeniero, ingeniero, K, because G is K, right? Ingeniero. Firefighter, bombero, firefighter, bombero. Next, flight attendant, aeromoza, aeromoza. Okay? Football player, jugador de fútbol, jugador de fútbol, or you can write futbolista, futbolista. Okay, acha, it will be fu accent t bol, football. Here double o is written, that won't be fu accent t, fu accent and t, football, football, fu. Acha, foreman, supervisor, supervisor, foreman, supervisor. Gardener, jardinero, jardinero, jardinero. What? Everyone please pronounce it. Jardinero.
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 Not car. Jardinero.
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 Jardinero. Devang, pronounce it.
Jardinero.
Devang, pronounce it. Jardinero. Yes. Kirti, pronounce it. Jardinero. Pronounce it, Kirti.
Jardinero.
Very good. Okay. Hairdresser, estilista, or you can write peluquero, that already you have written. Hairdresser also, it can be peluquero, that already you have written for barber. Okay, peluquero or peluquera. Okay, peluquero or peluquera. Housewife, ama de casa. Housewife, ama de casa. Jeweler, joyero. Jeweler, joyero. Joyero. Okay. Acha, khoya means jewel. Okay, khoya. Khoya, Joya. Khoya from to joyero. Joyero. Then journalist, reportero. Journalist, reportero. Or you can write one word that I am writing in the chat box for journalist. Please write this. Periodista. Periodista is also journalist. I have written in the chat box. Please see. That is also journalist. Okay. Either reportero or periodista. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Devang, written periodista.
Writing, sir.
Okay. Acha. Judge. Juez. Judge is juez. Lawyer. Abogado. Abogado. Letter carrier or postman. Cartero. Postman. Cartero. Lifeguard. Salvavidas. Lifeguard. Salvavidas. Locksmith. Cerrajero. Cerrajero. Okay. Locksmith. Cerrajero. Mechanic. Mecánico. Mecánico. A accent. A accent. So please note my pronunciation. Mecánico. Mecánico. Okay, you have to give a little stress upon A, where the accent will be. Okay, Devang, clear it is? Okay, then maid, sirvienta, sirvienta, or you can write one word. I am writing in the chat box for maid. Criada. Criada is also maid. Okay, you can write criada. Then mail carrier, cartero. Manager, gerente. Manager, gerente. Okay, because J is T, right? Gerente. Gerente is manager. Okay. Then mason is albanil. Mason is albanil. That construction worker. Modelo. Musician, músico. Nurse, enfermera. Okay, nurse. Painter, pintor. Only write pintor. Paramedic, paramedico. Photographer, photographo. Pilot, piloto.